In this video, I'm gonna talk about what I did in the past week for the city bike data. We have the data from July 2013 until July 2017. So this is the data in the monthly format. They are CSV files. So I wrote some process code which can later on convert to workflow to process and get some initial idea of the data, and I'm gonna present what I found out. So the first thing I did is I generate a report which is the monthly data. So given for basically for each file how many records we have. So totally we have 45 million records for this much data. And did some initial exploration and have some plots here. And I also generate the number of trips, meaning the same thing as the number of records for each row in the file, and in terms of per day. So right now, this is the plot of the number of the trips per day. And then we can go to the number of the trips per month. So start from 2013 July until 2017 July. As we can see, the data has some up, down, up, down. And at the beginning, it's not, as much as it later on in terms of the peak. And then the down point is, as we can see, is mainly in February, meaning it's the winter time. And I also did some plots in terms of the not the weekly, in terms of the year. So this should be yearly. So as we can see, so far, because the 2017 is not a full year and the 2013 is not a full year either, so the better scope is, compare from 2014 to 2017. As we 16, as we can see, the number was increased almost like, certain amount of percent. And other than that, I also got some weather data from the National Center for Environment and Information. So this is basically, I drill down to the daily summary from the first day of July in 2013 until the last day of July of 2017. So in this one, we have basically the average wind speed and perception, snow depths, maxima temperature, minima temperature, wind speed, the fast wind speed for 2 minutes, the fast wind speed for 5 seconds, and the WT01 is another parameter, but we're going to integrate those with the bike data we have. And also I'm thinking about drop one of this because they are both the indicator of how strong the wind is. So this is pretty much what I did for the bike data.